Assalamualaikum. I'm Sajid. Welcome to Web Explore. Today I will show you how to you sticky your header from Elementor, and when we are scroll, then some color in appearance. So let's get started. So I have a header. Here is a logo, and here is our menu. So first of all, we go to advanced, then advanced option, then we are position, motion effect, and then top, and sticky one for all the devices. After that, we go to settings, then we select some color, and after that is calling effect. So that after on is calling effect, go to transparency period. We go to 0 to 7 or absolute 10. So after that we say publish and go to our website. Then when you are scrolling, then after that our scrolling effect is working on that color. If you are changing our own color, that you can change it here from what you want. So just refresh it and scrolling, that's it working. Thank you so much, and subscribe for Web Explore. Thank you.